Hey friends! Welcome back to the Emoji Gaming. Can you guess the food by emojis? We have prepared 55 different and funny puzzles of 3 difficulty levels. If you're ready, subscribe and let's go. Starting off easy, what sweet treat is hidden behind these emojis? Absolutely right! It's cheesecake. How about this one? Guess what's depicted in these emojis? Indeed, it's the delicious and aromatic banana bread. Level 3. I'm sure you know what dish is encoded here. Round and tasty, it's meatballs. Back to sweets. What could this be? Yum! It's a moon pie. Guess this popular dessert. Correct! It's a cupcake, a favorite sweet treat. Find the cupcake among all these ice creams. Of course, this cupcake was hiding in plain sight. What treat do these emojis represent? Yes, it's cotton candy. Can you guess this breakfast favorite? That's right, it's cornflakes. What's this popular side dish? You got it, French fries. Identify this colorful snack. That's correct, gummy bears. What's this cool treat? Yes, it's ice cream. Guess this staple food. Right on, it's bread. Let's test your photographic memory. Remember the positions of all 4 emojis. Now, do you remember where the onion is? Yes, the onion is hiding under number 3. What appetizing snack is this? You're right, it's onion rings. Can you guess this dairy product? Absolutely, it's butter. What food are we looking at here? Correct, it's rice. Can you identify this dessert? Indeed, it's pie. What's this delightful dessert? Yes, it's a banana split. What popular fast food is this? Spot on, it's a hot dog. Can you find the hot dog among these burgers? Of course, the hot dog was hidden right here. It's time to up the difficulty. What sweet treat do these emojis suggest? Right, it's candy. Can you guess this bakery item? Yes, it's a bagel. What's this common lunch item? Correct, it's a sandwich. Guess this unique dessert. That's right, fortune cookies. What's this popular treat? Exactly, it's a donut. It looks like a bunch of inflatable rings, but somewhere here is a donut. Find it. You have a keen eye. The donut is hiding in the bottom left corner. Can you identify this creamy condiment? Indeed, it's sour cream. What's this sweet breakfast item? Absolutely, it's French toast. Guess this nutritious vegetable. Correct, sweet potato. What's this popular dish? You got it, fried chicken. Can you identify this breakfast favorite? Yes, it's pancake. Next challenge. Find the different emoji. Pancake. Of course, these waffles are just pretending to be pancakes. What savory item is this? Right, it's bacon. Guess this popular snack. Yes, it's popcorn. What flavorful dish is this? That's right, buffalo wings. Can you identify this snack? Indeed, it's a walnut. What's this Italian cuisine staple? Absolutely, it's pasta. Can you guess this beverage? Yes, it's Mountain Dew. What's this delicious vegetable? Correct. It's an eggplant. Can you identify this snack? That's right. It's a golden fish cracker. We've reached the hard levels. A golden fish cracker is sneakily swimming in this sea of popcorn. Can you spot it before time runs out? Found it. The clever little cracker was right there. What dreamy drink do these emojis hint at? Spot on! It's a strawberry milkshake, a sweet sip of heaven. This one's a slice of fun. Can you decipher which popular dish these emojis are hinting at? Absolutely. It's pizza, a global favorite. What unique treat is hidden behind these emojis? You nailed it? It's a cheese corn dog, cheesy goodness on a stick. What fast food favorite are we talking about here? That's right, chicken nuggets, the perfect bite-sized treat. Which luxury food are these emojis representing? Indeed, it's a lobster, the star of seafood feasts. Challenge time! Spot the odd one out in this sea of lobster emojis. You've got eagle eyes. It was a sneaky shrimp among the lobsters. What festive spice dessert do these emojis reveal? Yes, it's pumpkin pie, a slice of autumn in every bite. What's this popular food that goes with everything? Perfect. It's peanut butter, creamy or crunchy, always yummy. Here's a food delight hidden in emojis. Can you figure out what it is? Right on target. It's yogurt, a creamy and versatile treat. Time for a memory marathon. Recall the positions of all 8 emojis. Which spot is holding the secret of French fries? Impressive memory. The French fries were sneakily placed at number 7. What's this refreshing, zesty beverage? Think summer. Absolutely. It's lemonade, the ultimate thirst quencher. Eyes sharp for this challenge. Find the emoji that doesn't repeat on this level. Brilliant detection. It was the cheese emoji, standing out in the crowd. Can you guess what nutrient-packed dish these emojis are hinting at? You're right. It's tuna salad, a perfect blend of flavor and nutrition. And finally, what's this essential earthy vegetable? A chef's favorite in many dishes. Correct! It's a mushroom, a versatile star in the kitchen. Okay, friend, how many levels did you correctly solve? Share your score in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and choose your next challenge. See you in the next video.